what comes before a star, has formed a collection of gas that collapsed from a huge molecular cloud. This categorization is often abandoned for a more descriptive, as the coolest stars are invariably the smallest. They are called the red dwarfs. Exploring the stars. We are familiar with the idea that the twinkling principles of light in the sky are the stars, like our own Sun, that sometimes mislead us into thinking that all those stars are protostar. By far, the most common type of star in the Milky Way and least in the neighborhood of the Sun, but because of their low luminosity, individual red dwarfs cannot be easily observed, so the total lifespan of a star is about 10 billion years. The smallest stars are 50% mass of the Sun. Blue stars are the hottest stars of all, supergiants of spectral type O. They are extremely hot and bright with surface temperatures between 20,000 to 50,000 degrees Celsius. The brightest star constellation Orion. White stars having a moderate surface temperature and a white and yellow color, an annual morning glory of the southern U.S. with star-shaped leaves and small whites or purplish flowers, a bellflower with white flowers. Brown dwarf. Penn State University, using NASA WISE and Spitzer Space Telescope, has discovered a star that appears to be the coldest of the kind, has been named WISE EJO 8551083-071442.5. The 90 brightest stars as seen from Earth are rare O-type. Sirius A, the brightest night sky, a fitting description as only a planets, the full moon and the International Space Station outshine the star. The hottest discovered was WR102, is one such Wolf Rayet sporting surface temperature, more than 35 times hotter than the Sun. As light from the star races through our atmosphere, it bounces and bumps through in different layers, bending the light before you see it. Appearance to wobble, twinkle. As we know, the Earth orbits the Sun at an ideal distance that cause life to thrive on its surface. The Sun rays plants algae, photosynthesis, and stone energy while also releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. Now, astronomers have figured out what's invisible object, a binary star 2,544 light years away. That's so dim, we can see it all. Proxima certain 40 trillion and 200 billion kilometers away. Star is old indeed, the oldest star. Stars appear to twinkle when they are seen from the surface of the Earth. It was born scattered throughout most galaxies. EBLM 50 555 to 57 AB. In 2017, astronomers discovered a red dwarf similar size of Saturn. Sirius is the biggest star in the night sky, visible from hemisphere. It's just 8.6 light years away in the constellation. Crystal star, the largest, 100 times as the Sun, and 10,000 as bright. Nebula in the Milky Way galaxy. Those stars are enormous. Average 23 AU, a little more than distance between Sun and Uranus, about 4.22 light years from Earth and closest star.